principle of building an inside 90-degree corner is the same for all anchor wall products. Place a block at the corner. Once the corner is established, lay the rest of the base course working from the corner out. Construct the base course following standard installation procedures. On the second course, place all blocks on bond along one side of the corner. Once the second course of one wall is established, begin the second course of the adjacent wall. Partial units may be required on this wall to maintain running bond. The block placement in the corner should alternate direction with each succeeding course. Follow these best practices throughout the construction of your inside 90-degree corner wall.